you doing there, Justin?
How's it going?
Justin's working some material. Look at this dirt when it comes out of this bucket, guys.
Concrete.
That looks like cement. Where'd you get that out? The foundations? That's what it looked like. It looked like you dug that out of a foundation somewhere, boss.
Digging that clay layer.
That clay layer, yep, it's looking good.
Right down that.
Right down the streak there? Yeah. Well, what you thinking about the Strike Sluice today? What you thinking about that Spike Strike Sluice today?
Hey, it's a good one. Hey,
Fast, quick, easy?
Super easy to clean up.
Don't do much classifying, do you? Just a little?
Very little. Take it down 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch.
Yeah, just feed it on through. That new sluice, the big one, you don't classify it at all. I mean, you just shovel into it. It takes it. So we've been real happy with that. But yeah, I'm going to hang with you a minute till you get ready to clean up a little bit, and we'll come back on when you're ready, okay?
All right.
Just keep on working. Don't stop now because of me.